I have made my own accessory switch panels before. The effort required to design and assemble even the most basic row of switches is not trivial. Having an option like this that is basically plug and play can be a huge time saver. Pros: looks nice, with a faux carbon fiber face and smooth surround. Pre-wired, comes with translucent label stickers for wash switch. Includes USB and conventional 12V lighter type power ports. Cons: the switch backlights can be a little bright. It seems to be extremely well made with good connectors and the switches feel solid. I installed this on my Humvee. I am connecting multiple lights and using it as a way to charge my phone.